Hello students, how are you all? Now, today we will discuss the second part of the chapter 16, that is My Animal Friends. So in the first part, we have already discussed about the domestic animals. What are they? They are cat, dog, horse and cow. And we have already discussed about the wild animals. Those are those who live in jungle. So that means hippopotamus, tiger and zebra. We have also discussed about the birds. They have feathers and they can fly. And there are also some birds which cannot fly. Those are ostrich, penguin, kiwi. These are the birds which cannot fly. As we can see that there is a crow, there is an eagle, there is a pigeon, there is a parrot, there is a vulture and there is a peacock. These are the birds. And we have also studied about the water animals. What are water animals? Water animals are the whale, jellyfish, octopus and fish. These animals used to live in where? Yes, these animals used to live in water. So now we have discussed about the animals also, those who live on land as well as in water. So who are those animals? Yes, student, they are frog, turtle and crocodile. So we have already discussed about the food habits also. So let's see what are the food habits of these animals. First, we can see a hen which eats grains. There is a cat which eats meat, fish and drink milk. There is a dog who eats meat and bone. There is an elephant who used to eat leaves and bark of tree. There is a monkey who used to eat leaves and the fruits. So this is what we have studied in the first part. So now we will discuss the second part. So here is some exercise we will be doing. Underline the right option. So we will be underlining the right option. So there is a lion. So what lion eats? Lion is a meat eating animal and he lives in jungle. So what does he eat? He eats flesh and bones. He doesn't eat grass and he doesn't eat sugarcane. And the B one is the monkey eats. What monkey is? Monkey eats banana and leaves. He doesn't eat flesh and bone. And the other part is fish. What fish eats? It eats water plants and worms which used to live in water. There is a rabbit. What does rabbit eat? Rabbit eat grass and carrot. So rabbit doesn't eat the mouse. And there is a cow. So what cow eats? Cow eats a chapati, that means the roti which we give to cow, and the grass. Okay, students? Okay, now we will also discuss about some other animals. They are very small creatures and they are also called the insect. So how do they look? Look at these small creatures. These animals are called insects. They have 6 legs. Many insects have wings and can fly. So students, we all are scared of the insects, but they are also found in our environment or in our surroundings. So here we can see the pictures also. These are the insects. Some of them can fly and some of them can't fly. Okay students, we have already seen the spiders in our homes, right? So a spider is not the insect. Why it is not an insect? Because it has 4 pairs of legs. Okay students, that is why a spider is not an insect. So students, now we will see that where the animals live. So the first is cow, and where the cow lives in the shed. So this is where the cow lives. And the second one is pig. So where does the pig live? Pig live in the stay. And where is the hen live? Hen live in the coop. And where does the horse live? Horse live in the stable. And where does the dog live? Yes, student, dogs live in the kennel. So this is how you have to match it in your book. So do it in your book. Okay, students? So students, now we will study how the animals are helpful for us. They give us food like meat, fish and eggs. They help us in farming. We get honey from honeybee. Cows, buffaloes, goats gives us milk. Horses, donkey, mules carry goods and people. The dead skin of animals is used to make shoe, bag, coats, etc. So students, animals are always useful for us as they give us food like meat, fish and eggs. They also help us in farming, in agriculture. And from the honey, we used to get honey. Cows, buffaloes, goats also gives us milk. Horse, donkey, mules carry goods and peoples. Dead skin of the animals also used for what? For making our shoes, bags and coats. Now we have the other match the following. So let's do it. So the eggs. So students, tell me, from where we get the eggs? We get the eggs from the hen. Okay, students? And there is a mutton. So where did we get the mutton? We get the mutton from the goat. Okay, student? There is silk. So where does we get the silk? We get the silk from the silkworm. And there is wool. So where does we get from the wool? We get it from the sheep. Okay, students? And the milk. Yes, students, we get it from cow. And the last is the honey. So as we have studied earlier, from where did we get the honey? Yes, from the honeybee. Okay, students, this is how we match the following. So do it in your book and learn it. So students, we must be kind to animals. We should not tease or hurt them. Students, animals are also should be loved and should be cared of. So we should not tease them and hurt them also. Okay, students? So students, there is a fun activity also there. So paste 2 pictures each of living and non-living things. Label them and discuss the difference. So students, here you have to paste the picture in this box of one living thing and one non-living thing. And always and also discuss the difference between them. Okay, students? And this is your homework. Do it in your book.